In my last video, I was super excited because I tried out the Omnia oven. And today, because the muffins turned out so delicious, I will try out some keto bread, which we normally doing at home in the oven. So let's see how everything works and if the Omnia oven can do the same results. Here's our standard setup while we are camping. So the Bruno's outdoor kitchen, the camping stove, and the Omnia, which will do the work today. So I will just start because I prepared everything in advance, and I will show you what I mixed together and how everything will turn out.
First, I mixed Greek yogurt with golden flaxseed flour. Then I added 4 eggs, some ground sunflower seeds and ground flax seeds. I also mixed a bit of a baking powder, a pinch of salt and a little potassium, and in the end, I added some melted butter to bring it all together. The bread mix is ready, and here is the Omnia oven with the baking rack and baking paper cut to the same shape. I started preparing small round buns. First, I wet my hands with water so the dough wouldn't stick too much, and then I placed the buns inside the Omnia. Now it's time to start baking. I placed the Omnia on the stove and set it to medium heat.
So the bread is now baking and I just need to wait till it's finished. The temperature rises to 150 degrees very soon, like in 10 minutes or so. And yeah, now let's just wait till they're done. In the oven normally they take around 20 to 30 minutes, and let's see if this will be the same in the Omnia oven.
After 30 minutes, I took a peek to see if they were done, but they still need a bit more time.
So it's 45 minutes after I started to bake the bread. So let's see if it's done. Yeah, I think it is. So let's take it out.
I took the Omnia off the stove and placed it on a trivet, but unfortunately it was a wooden one. Pretty soon I noticed a strange smell, and yep, the trivet had started to burn a little. Lesson learned, it's better to leave the Omnia on the stove to cool down. The bread looks really good and it wasn't burned. Even the bottom of each bun didn't get burned, just a little bit around the inner part where it was directly touching the circle where the hot air circulates. Since I was so curious about how the bun looked inside, I grabbed it while it was still hot and split it in half. Yeah, not the best idea to handle super hot things, but the bread was fully baked inside.
So now let's try them out if they are okay. Yeah, they're good. They're good as we would be baking them in the oven at home. So this was my second test run with the Omnia oven, and I think that everything turned good out. So I will see you in the next one, and if you have any questions regarding the Omnia or any tips how I should use it, just let me know, okay? I will see you in the next video. Bye!